Hello, thanks for your patience. I know we said it'd only be a couple of weeks, but we're busy guys, so this will happen now and then. But I'm back, and now it's what I've been doing in the previous videos, but slightly different. I've not done a underwash this time, it's just straight onto the pencil. And I've got new paints, a new brand. I won't mention the brand though, but they're nice. But they're all good. So yes, let's get to it. Thanks again for watching, and let's go. Right, so as I say, I'm not doing the underwash this time. No particular reason. Show you something slightly different from what I've been doing before. New paints as well, which are quite nice, as I said, but not that different, but they're nice. And I've got the trouble of doing a little colour chart here. That's for myself really, because sometimes looking at this, it's difficult to see, especially when they're dark. It's difficult to see what I'm picking up on. And this has proved quite useful so far. Same technique apart from the underwash. And I'm probably going to do a background on this, but we'll see how it goes. I'll start on the main character anyway. And I was going to say I'll probably work top down, but it doesn't work like that. I'll just go with the flow. And yeah, let's go. There's not much to say. So draw it, paint it, and you can watch it. And thanks for all the comments on YouTube, by the way. You and your group of mates. So as usual, start with the first layer of colour and then build up, usually from light to dark. Especially with watercolour, because it's very difficult to do it the other way around unless you're lifting it off, which I might do now and then, as you'll see. Anyway, let's go. Cheers, hope you enjoy. that's me done. I did more than I wanted to really, but that's just me. Had a panic attack, thought it was a bit gaudy. I still think it's a bit gaudy, but it's okay. I learned a few things myself, so that's good. Hope you enjoyed it. Next time, when Sandy's back from holiday, something different. Cheers.